Data Transformer is an Excel-based bot that splits columns, removes fields, applies formulas, sorts data, and more, transforming raw Excel into clean, structured output in one click. Let's consider a scenario where finance data exported from SAP or Oracle often comes with blank columns, broken formulas, or inconsistent formats. Every download needs cleanup. With Data Transformer Bot, it auto-applies all rules, formatting and structuring the raw data. Here's the finance report received from SAP, the source file we're about to clean. Let's take a look at the raw data. Yellow fields are where formulas will be applied. The subcategory column will be deleted. Account will be converted to uppercase. Revenue rows with 0 will be removed. And net profit will be sorted from large to small. Let's log in securely to the AMBot 365 platform. Once logged in, select Data Transformer Bot from the dashboard and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. The bot begins applying all transformation steps: formula insertions, deletions, uppercase, sorting, and cleanup. The user can view detailed insights: total files processed, record counts, transformation status, time taken, and the summary of the process. The final output is saved automatically to the target folder, formatted and ready to use. This is the final output, one file with all rules applied. Account in uppercase, revenue 0 rows removed, net profits sorted, and unwanted columns gone. This bot saves 90% of your time by executing 3 flows in under a minute. No formulas, no filters. Just business-ready data instantly.